In this video, we're going to test the Hypersmooth stability of the GoPro 7 Black against the Karma Grip. What's up, people? So I'm pretty pumped. I just got my new GoPro. It's the Black 7. And for my first test I want to do is I want to check out this Hypersmooth gimbal-like stabilization. I just actually recently picked up the Karma Grip. I've used it a little bit, it works pretty good. But what I want to do is I'm going to take this GoPro, I'm going to mount it to my scooter here. I'm going to do a test run, then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the Karma Grip, mount it to my handlebars and do a test run. And I'm going to do the ultimate test. I'm going to ride down a set of railroad tracks. So as you know, it's going to be real bumpy. Don't try this at home because it's probably not the safest, but I feel it's going to be the best stability test. So we'll see how it turns out. That's the end of my comparison of the GoPro 7 Black Hypersmooth stabilization versus the Karma Grip. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys found this video useful, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, hit that subscription button. And those that are subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified for my next video. I'll talk to you guys later.